Okay, if you're getting error code U, U is as in umbrella on your electric blanket, heated blanket control panel, that's usually something with the heating elements in the blanket itself, unfortunately. It's usually not an issue with your actual control panel. So that, again, is not really good. What you want to do is lay your blanket on a flat surface on the floor, preferably if you can, and to check to see if there's any warm or cold spots on it as it's warmed. It could be a kink in the cord or one of the wires. It could be a kink. If you have, one thing that can cause that error is if you have something really heavy on the blanket, like a person or even a heavy dog, sometimes will cause that. And remedy that, and don't be sitting on top of the electric blanket, and it might fix itself. And then also, last but not least, is go ahead and do a soft reset on the electric blanket. In order to do that, only thing you have to do is unplug it from the wall and keep it unplugged for about 30 minutes. Plug it back in, and then see if your blanket's still working. It should be fine. There are a lot of safety precautions now in electric blankets made in this century. So I wouldn't worry too much about getting burnt or catching on fire. That's very rare that would happen. However, if your blanket's older than 5 or 10 years, consider just replacing it. And again, to get a new blanket, your control is probably still good, but you might as well just get a new blanket. All right, thanks for watching, and make sure you subscribe.